Alright guys, so here we are with the, I wondered why this was my passenger side control arm. It was making an audible creaking noise. It was pretty bad. And as you can see, maybe you can't see, I don't know. It's kind of dark out here now. This ball joint was completely shredded. I've never seen one that bad. I mean, it's open. I don't know if it comes through because of the light, but I can see down inside the joint. It's gritty, and it's ridiculous. My other one that came out wasn't near that bad. This is a Febi Bilstein non-sport control arm. Just wanted you to see it. Ball joints are shot, obviously, with this kind of mileage. And they're not the upgraded joints. So then I started comparing the arm because according to the websites, the ZHP arm, which is the silvery one, is stronger and more beefy, is what they say. And when I installed the other one, I couldn't really figure out where the beef was, so to speak. And because it's not along here, they're really quite similar. They're just really quite similar, but upon closer inspection, I was actually able to see that this notch is cut deeper into the arm than this one, if you can tell. But this distance here is less than that distance. And so I don't know if that has any additional strength because there's more solid bar from here to here than there is from here to here. I don't know. I don't know if that's enough, deflection or what have you. On the back side, you can also see this one maybe has a little bit less cutout. I don't know. But overall, they're pretty much the same. And then there's this, which is the Meyle. As you can see, I've pressed the ball joints out of this one. I did it with, they say there's a special tool, I did it with a 20-ton shop press. But again, if you look, I can do this only because the ball joints are missing. The cutouts on the lower arm, again, it's not a great angle for you guys in camera land, but there's actually, it's the slightest of margins, but there's more cutouts on this arm, and it probably doesn't amount to hardly anything, but it is a noticeable difference. And you can see again, this cutout is longer than the ZHP arm and wider at its widest point. Again, we're talking half an inch maybe, but half an inch may or may not make a difference with the amount of the amount of torsional, that may not be the right word, with the amount of abuse that these take. I mean, I think your wheels attached ultimately to this is very much something that could potentially be different. So, are these ZHP arms really much different than the Meyle's? Don't know. You be the judge. But there's definitely some differences. Subtle as they may be, there are some differences. So, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna put control arm ball joints in this and give them to my niece. They're 323, but anyways, there it is. There's the ZHP arm fixing to go in. The other one's already under the car there. So, anyways, hope you boys got something out of that. I know I didn't. So I will talk to y'all later once that baby's installed. Have a fabulous evening.